to the Kolkata gang rape horror has intensified. The forensic teams as well as the Kolkata Police Commissioner visited the law college where the gruesome crime was committed. The forensic team collected samples in connection with the case. Remember, a first-year college student was allegedly gang raped by 3 people at a law college in Kolkata. This horrific crime was committed on Wednesday in the evening hours. All 3 accused have been arrested and sent to the police custody till the 1st of July.
After the victim lodged the complaint before the police personnel, soon they started the investigation, and during course of investigation arrested all the 3 accused persons. Their mobile phones were seized from their possession. The victim's statement corroborated with the medical evidence that was found. Considering all this and our submission before the court, we prayed for police custody. Court granted police custody till 1st of July 2025.
Well, Times Now has accessed the complaint that was filed by the victim and her family to the police, and details of this will curdle your blood. The victim claims that she begged for mercy, but the accused did not listen. Let's tell you what she has mentioned in the complaint. With Times Now accessing the complaint that she has filed with the police officials. Now, the victim has spoken about the entire horrific ordeal, and she went on to say that she was asked to prove her loyalty with the accused forcing himself on her in the washroom. These are all details that she has mentioned in her complaint to the police officials, saying that she even touched his feet and begged him for mercy, but he did not let her go, and she was then forcefully taken to the guard room where she was raped, blackmailed and then threatened. The victim has in fact revealed that the accused in the case also threatened to kill her boyfriend, her partner, and the entire act was also recorded with the accused, the rapist, even threatening her and blackmailing her, saying that the video would be circulated in the college. And there were 2 other people as well, the 2 other accused who have now been arrested, who were also there at the spot. The complainant, the victim, alleging that while the man was raping her, the other 2 were right there, they were watching, and even attacked by a hockey stick. And these are the details that she has mentioned in that complaint to the police officials, after which the accused were taken into custody. We have more details coming in. According to hospital sources, the medical examination of the victim from the law college has revealed multiple injury marks on her private parts, scratch marks to her neck as well as bite marks. Medical report is yet to be out, and she is likely to be brought there for an examination. Now, more and more gory and chilling details of the horrific act coming to light. My colleague Ridhita is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Ridhita, the details are extremely chilling. Take us through what the police officials have gathered so far.
Absolutely. As you see, the horrific incident took place on the night of 25th of June this month. And we get to understand that this incident happened between 7:30 to 8:30 p.m. after which the next morning the GD was filed. And Monojit Mishra, who is also associated with TMC, the unit head of this very college, he is the primary accused of this gang rape, and after which he was arrested along with the 19-year-old batchmate Zaib Ahmed, and later that night again Preeta Mukhopadhyay was also arrested. As we understand that yesterday the area was cordoned off by police, and there was tense movement by police from forensic coming and seizing the cameras, the entire from the union room to the guard room where the entire incident happened that day night. The CCTVs have been taken into concern. Also their phones have been seized, and also we have seen the DC SSD Bidisha Kalita coming to the place yesterday along with the additional CP and also the CP who has come to the area. Given to understand that yesterday the girl was also taken for her medicals in the Calcutta National Medical College, and there according to the official sources that we understand that there has been multiple injuries that has been revealed now, especially in her private parts. There had been scratch marks in her neck and also bite marks around the chest and the neck area. So as we understand that 1 year of RG Court that has not passed by, but now again another horrific chill-boning incident has happened in the heart of Kolkata, in not a very isolated area but a very prominent law college in the heart of South Kolkata. Back to you.
Okay, all right. In fact, based on the complaint that was filed by the victim, an FIR has also been registered. The accused have been booked for gang rape and wrongful confinement of the victim. The alleged mastermind of the crime is Manojit Mishra, a former student of the college who was also working as a staff member there. Soon after his arrest, Manojit's affiliation with the ruling TMC started doing the rounds. As per his Facebook bio, Manojit was a president of the TMC youth wing in the same college. The BJP alleged that there was a TMC connection of the accused, releasing pictures with the TMC leaders, including the MP Abhishek Banerjee, and stepping up the attack on the Bengal government. The BJP demanded the resignation of the chief minister.
লোক তো নেই দিঘায় জামা খুলিয়ে এই রাজ্যের মুখ্যমন্ত্রী চেয়ারে থাকার যোগ্যতা নেই আমরা এই চেক আপ করছি এবং খুব বড় জিনিস হবে বড় বড় হবে
मुख्यमंत्री हमेशा रेप की घटना को छोटी घटना बोलती है और हमेशा इसको दबाने की कोशिश करती है, तो इस समय यही हो। मुख्यमंत्री हमेशा रेप की घटना को छोटी घटना बोलती है और हमेशा इसको दबाने की कोशिश करती है, तो इस समय यही हो।
Now, the crime is bone-chilling, but the response of the ruling TMC shows their sickening mentality. The TMC MP Kalyan Banerjee has blamed the victim. He said that women should be careful about who they go out with and said that it is impossible for the police to ensure security at every college.